Personalized learning is rapidly becoming one of the most powerful applications of artificial intelligence. And if you're preparing for a career in AI, ML, or EdTech, this project will immediately set you apart. Imagine an adaptive tutor that feels like a patient, knowledgeable mentor who understands where a student struggles, pinpoints the exact gaps, and reshapes the entire lesson experience in real time. That's the core idea of this system. It evaluates knowledge, generates tailored lessons, and dynamically adjusts difficulty, creating one-on-one learning at a scale no human teacher can match. This matters because teacher shortages are rising worldwide, learning speeds are slowing down, and millions of students need personalized support. AI tutors have already shown the potential to double learning speed, making them incredibly valuable for schools, universities, and professionals. Real-world uses include K-12 homework help, exam preparation, coding boot camps, skill development, and language learning. EdTech companies and corporate training teams urgently need talent that can build such systems, which means this project gives you genuine career leverage in 2025 to 2027. And to build a personalized AI tutor, you need a blend of technical depth, educational intuition, and user-centric thinking. The core technical skills start with Python for back-end logic, NLP for generating questions and grading responses, and machine learning to model how students learn over time. You'll also work with RAG pipelines, so the tutor can fetch accurate content instantly, and adaptive algorithms that adjust difficulty the way a good teacher would. On the tools side, frameworks like LangChain help structure tutoring conversations. Models like GPT-4 or Claude generate explanations, PostQuestional manages student data, and React or Firebase allows you to build smooth, interactive learning dashboards. But soft skills matter just as much. You need empathy to shape AI responses that encourage rather than overwhelm. You need basic curriculum design skills to sequence lessons logically. And you need educational psychology awareness so the tutor adapts to different learning styles. Recruiters love candidates who can merge AI skills with real learner needs, because EdTech products succeed only when students actually improve. When building the system, start by creating the knowledge base that powers the entire tutor. Curate curriculum-aligned concepts, generate embeddings, and store them in a vector database so the system can retrieve the right explanations whenever needed. Then develop the assessment engine. This includes diagnostic questions that test baseline understanding, adaptive questioning that gets harder or easier based on answers, and modeling techniques that estimate how confident the student truly is. After that, implement the tutoring logic. Use LangChain agents to guide step-by-step explanations, generate simpler alternatives when the student is confused, and create personalized practice questions that match their level. Finally, add progress tracking with dashboards, spaced repetition reminders, and light gamification to keep them motivated. Beginners usually need 9 to 11 weeks to complete everything, while intermediate learners can finish in 6 to 8. This implementation roadmap mirrors how real EdTech companies design tutoring systems, so completing it builds the exact experience recruiters want to see. A project like this has excellent placement value because it directly addresses what the EdTech industry is investing in right now: adaptive learning, personalized instruction, and intelligent tutoring systems. AI tutors consistently show more than 80% student satisfaction, around 2.3 times faster learning, and a fast-growing market projected to reach $8 billion by 2027. This means companies such as Duolingo, Coursera, Khan Academy, Chegg, BYJU'S, and Udemy actively hire engineers who understand student modeling, feedback loops, knowledge retrieval, and adaptive personalization. Roles include EdTech AI engineer, learning analytics specialist, educational AI researcher, and adaptive learning developer. Recruiters look for keywords like adaptive learning, personalization, student modeling, and pedagogical AI. Salary ranges are strong, from 8 to 17 lakhs in India and $85,000 to $140,000 in the USA. Completing this project showcases practical, impactful experience in a high-growth AI domain. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.